when it comes to achieving success, there is a tendency to attribute it to intangible reasons. This view creates the impression that success is only for the privileged few who possess a secret formula. However, success is not a mythical quest. It is a journey through tangible pathways. Let's work together to dismantle the myths surrounding success and recognize it as a mosaic of dedication, resilience, and strategic choices. We need to unshackle our aspirations from abstract reasons and embark on a transformative journey towards a profound understanding that success is not an enigma, but a roadmap waiting to be explored. 1. Pinning success to an abstract. One of the common stumbling blocks to success is attributing it to elusive and intangible factors. This mindset creates a perception that success is a realm only accessible to a select few with a secret key. It hinders personal and professional growth by creating a clandestine shackle. To truly understand success, we need to consider it as a multifaceted gem, refracting the light of diligence, resilience, and strategic choices. But instead of recognizing this kaleidoscope of efforts, we fall into the trap of believing in an unattainable monolith. By attributing success to elusive connections, innate talents, or circumstantial advantages, we inhibit our potential to dissect the nuanced pathways that lead to triumph. The truth is, success is not a mysterious alchemy that only a select few can unlock. It is a narrative woven from the threads of dedication, skills honed over time, and opportunities seized. To embark on this journey, we need to liberate ourselves from the fallacy of abstract reasons. This emancipation is a journey towards a profound understanding that success is not a distant constellation, but a roadmap with tangible markers. By dismantling these misconceptions, we empower ourselves to explore the myriad facets of success, realizing that the keys to prosperity are within reach and not confined to an abstract and unattainable realm. 2. Assuming negative intent. In our daily interactions, we often tend to assume negative intent and hesitate to ask for help or express our needs. This mindset is particularly prevalent among women and is rooted in societal expectations that asking for assistance is an inconvenience. Sheryl Sandberg's experience highlights this phenomenon, where women stopped posing questions, giving the floor to their male counterparts. However, this assumption is a significant obstacle to personal and professional growth. We need to reframe our perspective and understand the power of collaboration. Instead of viewing requests for help as bothersome, we should see it as an opportunity for mutual support and shared success. Asking for help is not a weakness, but a testament to our willingness to learn and improve. We should consider an alternative narrative, where we articulate our needs and create chances for a symbiotic exchange of assistance. By challenging our ingrained assumptions and beliefs, we can break free from self-imposed constraints and achieve collective success. Genuine collaboration is a catalyst for progress, and it's time to embrace this belief. 3. Having an entrepreneurial mindset. Embraced within the confines of corporate routines, there often exists a boxed-in mentality. People tend to stick to familiar paths and established norms, which can hinder the exploration of new ventures and the acceptance of calculated risks. Contrary to popular belief, the entrepreneurial mindset is not limited to starting a business. It is an approach, a way of viewing challenges and opportunities through a dynamic lens. To cultivate the entrepreneurial mindset, one must break free from routine thinking and step out of their comfort zone. It requires acknowledging that innovation often resides beyond the well-trodden path. By doing so, one is prompted to ask pivotal questions such as, what do I need to learn, and how can I begin this journey? It's an understanding that every challenge is an opportunity in disguise, and that knowledge is not static, but a continuously evolving asset. Individuals with an entrepreneurial mindset don't just navigate uncertainties, they thrive in them. It represents a departure from the two-dimensional thinking that often plagues those embedded in conventional roles. By embracing a growth-oriented mindset, one not only adapts to change, but actively seeks it, and this leads to unexplored horizons and new possibilities. In essence, having an entrepreneurial mindset is an invitation to view one's professional landscape as a canvas of potential, waiting to be painted with innovation and forward-thinking strategies. 4. Not having your values. Embarking on the journey towards financial success requires more than just monetary acumen. It demands a meticulous alignment of personal values. The truth is that wealth isn't a stroke of luck. It's a deliberate outcome of setting clear goals and assigning paramount value to financial independence. The correlation between a well-defined set of values and monetary achievement is not happenstance, but a blueprint for intentional prosperity. Consider this analogy. Sculpting a financially secure future is like navigating a ship through turbulent waters. Your values act as the compass, steering you towards the destination of financial independence. It requires an unwavering commitment to prioritize financial well-being, ensuring that every decision and action aligns with this overarching goal. Dr. Martini's value quiz becomes a navigational tool, providing insights into the congruence between your professed priorities and your daily choices. True financial success is not just a declaration, but a manifestation of values through actions. It's a journey where stated ambitions harmonize with your daily endeavors, creating a synergy that propels you towards your fiscal aspirations. Therefore, having your values in check becomes the cornerstone, the guiding philosophy that underpins your pursuit of financial liberation. 5. Not needing to acquire. Financial literacy. Mastering financial literacy is a crucial aspect of leading a successful and independent life. It is comparable to knowing the steps of a dance in order to choreograph your own financial future. Simply ignoring or neglecting financial literacy is a dangerous mistake that can lead to relinquishing control over your finances. It's not just about being uninformed. It's about handing over the reins to someone else to direct your financial story. Think of your financial journey as a vast library. Each book within it represents a different facet of financial literacy. From understanding tax laws to analyzing financial trends, every volume offers a valuable piece of wisdom that is essential to your financial well-being. Failing to access this knowledge is like trying to navigate through the library blindfolded, without the benefit of the insights that could illuminate your path. Books, podcasts, YouTube channels, each of these resources can act as a mentor in this vast library, imparting the knowledge that can empower you to take control of your finances. Acquiring financial literacy is not a luxury, it is a necessity. It involves committing to learning the language of money, understanding its intricacies, and orchestrating a symphony of financial success. Keep in mind that financial literacy is not a destination, but rather a continuous journey that offers the tools to navigate the ever-evolving currents of the economic landscape.